The garbage is white too. You're in snow. Yeah, well, yeah, kinda. Yeah. Well, could be better.
Oh, that's great.
Well, you know, it's not real snow.
Shut up.
Yeah. Look how it was flying sideways on those things. Would you like your coffee?
Yes, please.
Alright, let's go. Oh God, yes, this thing. It's okay, I'll be fine. Well, I mean, some real snow, it's not too big. I mean, have you seen bigger snow? Oh yeah. Okay, I guess some real snow.
Can you hear Mariah Carey in the background?
Fun? Am I okay?
Mariah Carey in the background.
Yes. In the background, you're the video. Your video, the thumbnail again. We need more snow there. Oh, it's closed. 8.
Oh.
8. In 10 minutes.
Oh.
Oh, we get coffee along the way. Come on. Not every day you get to be for Christmas in New York with snow. Well, you were here back in 1988 in Florida. Almost like New York. We're gonna get flayed for that comment.
Yes. You will, because you make the comments, so I don't.
But she didn't disagree with me. Hmm. Hmm.
I think your comments are fun, but not always truthful.
Ah, spoke like a true English woman. People are like, why do you have sunglasses in snow?
Because of snow blindness.
Yes. Snow blowing in your face. Well, that tree looks pretty.
Yeah.
Yeah, hold my beer. They have coffee in there if you want. Like a
No.
dubious quality. There's a Starbucks.
Here we go, Starbucks.
There's all those people hanging around. I'm not sure I wanna.
Well, we'll see if they're hanging around in this weather.
Yeah.
Could always go to a different one.
Yeah.
You warm enough?
Yeah, I'm super duper. Super duper. Let's see, Starbucks is open. I do believe so, it's open. Yeah, there's something alright here. Probably gonna be some black ice in Central Park.
Yeah.
The place was a lot colder than the rest of the area.
I haven't put a heated jacket on yet.
But you have it.
Yeah.
That's fine.
It's underneath this, so I can't move.
Well. Ooh. Here we go. Stand on the tar water. Seven, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Blink. It's a blink.
Oh, now.
Yes, I think the regulars have become irregulars.
Very like band of America, isn't it?
Yes. So it's open.
7 o'clock on a Saturday.
Fantastic.
Very, very good.
So if you need to know, TriBeCa Starbucks opens at 7 every day.